Hi, hello, welcoming all. In this lecture or in this class, we're gonna learn, we gonna understand about the specific family creations. In the previous section, we understood what is family. What are the basic tools we use in the families? That's the extrusion, sweep, revolve. We have understood that. Now, in this particular section, in this class, we are specifically want to create the specific family. Say, for example, I'm just taking the creation of the door. Let us how to create the custom door. So, in order to create, I'm just in the dashboard of the Revit. So okay, now I'm just there are two options. One is the model and the family. So if you create the model inside the model, if you create any of the family, which is not able to save in the once you close the project, all the family is going to what I can say deletes. Okay, so if you create the same in the families, then you have the option of saving and you can just use it for the further as well. So in order to create the family, I'm just simply clicking on the family. Okay, now as soon as I simply click on the family, it is automatically it opens the different templates in which in the background you have downloaded and kept in your system as the library. From there it will pull the data and it will show you these kinds of or I can say the family different, like metric window are available, metric window trim. There are different kinds of families which are available. Basically according to our requirement use, we can use the different family. Okay, so I'm just want to showcase the use of the metric door. So in order to showcase or in order to understand the use of the door, let me select this metric door. Okay, there are different doors are available, so I'm just simply selecting the metric door. So I'm simply clicking on the OK, open. So as soon as I open, so you can able to notice the you have this kinds. Okay, basically this is an top view, or maybe I can say the floor plan, the plan view, we can just say. So you have the frame projection is until is equal to 25. You can just delete if you don't want this. You can simply select and delete this. Okay, so now you have the reference plane. This you have this is the exterior side, and you as of now the width has selected as 1000 mm, and equally it is being distributed or maybe divided, I can say. Okay, now if you want to see the same 3D model, you go to the 3D. Here you have this, right? I'll make the fine view. I'll create in the realistic. So see, by default the template has these kinds of those frame which is created so far here. So I don't want to use this the default template, but I want to customize this. So let me delete this frame here as well. I'll delete this frame. Okay, and I'll go back to this. You can able to notice on either side the frame has been deleted right now. Okay, now I want to create my own frame. So in order to create, maybe I'll go to the 3D itself. It's fine. Now in the option in the top you have the option called the create. This tool is right now we gonna use this is basically we call it as a form section. So extrusion, as we know the uses, how we can use it in extrusion, same as with the blend, revolve, sweep and sweep blend and void form. So I want to create one of the frame here. So in order to create the frame, which tool is best? Basically I need to because it's not in the same one plane, so it is in the this one, this is in the vertical direction, this is in the horizontal, then and again in the vertical direction. So I need to use the command called the sweep. Okay, so let me click on the sweep. I'll use the sweep section. Once I simply click on the sweep, you can able to notice there's a sketch a path, pick a path, because sketch a path is not required because I'm having the path which direction I want to add the frame. Okay, so I'm simply select on the pick a path. Okay, I'm just selected on the pick a path. Which path you want to select? I'm just selecting this path here and here. So basically I want to add the frame in this direction only, in these three direction. Okay, I'm simply click on OK. So now the path has been now created, but I want to define on which style you want to create the profile. Okay, now in order to do that, I'm going to the option called the edit profile. You can able to notice in the sweep I need to simply click on the edit profile. Maybe you can do the assigning the what I can say design here itself is fine, or else I'll go to the reference plane. So now I'll simply select the drawing tool. Maybe I select a simple line I create the door frame like I take this way. I don't think I add the uh, 20 mm. Okay, then I'll go inside around 40 mm. Then again I'll go this way. This is 35 mm. Then again I'll create the around 75. Okay, then again I'll create the 30 mm. I'm so sorry, this is 35 mm. Then again I'll create this way. Okay, and closing this. Okay, now once if I click the when the loops are closed, I need to simply click on the finish. I'm not clicked one more time, it's pending. I'll go to the 3D view. See here, this is how the profile has been created. The now if I simply click on the finish, you can able to notice the way I defined the path the door has been created, right? See here. So as of now I want to go to the reference line. This is the exterior side. Okay, I think this is the this is the exterior side. Okay, go to the 3 view. See here, right? This is how basically the frame we can customize accordingly we want. So now once again I'll go to the select the material. If you want, you can just assign the material, which material you want. You can just simply click here, or else you can just go to the one more time, go to the edit sweep. Once again I do the finish here. Let me go to the select, create the material. I'll go to the which one, the appearance. I'll go to the new material. I simply rename this, I simply add, okay, rename this new door material, door frame. Okay, enter. Now go to the appearance. Now if you want to have any images, you can just provide, or maybe if you want, you can have any wood color, it's fine. Or else if you want to, you don't want that, you can just go here, you can add the wood. I can add the ash door. I select this, apply, okay, escape. Now you can able to notice the door frame has been added with this color, right? So now my door frame part has been now completed. Now I added the door frame. Now I want to add the shutter for this. Okay, so in order to add the shutter, once again I'll go to the 3D view. I'll go to the feature called option called create. Now I'll use the tool called the extrusion. Okay, so in order to this solid extrusion I'll click on this. I'll go to the back. I'll enable the fine view. I'll enable the wireframe. Now I just select the which form. Once again I want to create this in the front direction. Back is not taking. Set okay, before that I need to create the set the plane. This is the reason it's not taking. Now I'll go to the set a plane, pick a plane. Okay, now I'll go to the back. Now go to the back, I select this one. Okay, now I go to till here, I finish this. I'll go to the reference line. See, now by default the thickness is been extruded to large. I show you in this way. See here. Now I'll go to the wireframe to the realistic. You can able to the shutter, basically it's been extended by default. It has extended this much. I don't want to this much in my door, right? So in order to do that, let me go to the reference plane. I think I need to align this. This has been now, now this is way. Now the opening has been perfectly made. Right, now go to the reference. I want to select this. I let us say assume you want to add the frame in this particular place only. Okay, now I'm dragging this till here, and once again the shutter also I'm dragging this way, I'm just making small groove. If you want, you can just give this way. Okay, fine. Now I'll go to the 3D view. You can able to notice the thickness has been reduced much, right? Okay, now this is how the shutter has been going to add. Now I'll once again go here. I don't think I will make it as the align. So AL align you can just create. Okay, now I simply select on the OK, go to the 3D part. So now the door frame has been added, and as well as the shutter. Now for the door frame, the shutter, I want to add the material. So let me go to the here. I'll go to the materials. Maybe I'll add the same material only, new door frame. Okay, I'll go to the 3D view. It looks the same, or maybe I'll just to bifurcate, or maybe just to be easy, I'll change the materials. Okay, now I'll go to this door frame. I'll add the default one. Simply okay, click 3D view, bottom, front. Okay, or else I don't think I'll select this material, default, the default wall. Okay, doesn't look, but let me create a new one. Okay, I create new one, door shutter, door shutter. Okay, this is again. Now I think I'll add the cherry wood kind of thing. CHERRY, cherry. I'll go to the finish, flooring, painting, sliding, wood box, ash door, breach, boards, cherry wood I'll add. Okay, apply. Okay, see here. Now this is how the door frame is going to add, right? So once again go to the back, you have this kinds of door which is going to add right now. So this is the front view where you have the frame and you have the shutter. So basically I don't want to make the entire frame or shutter to be open this way. I want to add some glass as well in my door designs. Okay, so how to do that? So say go to the once again you click on the element which you want to edit. I'm selecting the door frame, not the door frame. I'm selecting this one. Okay, now I'll go to the edit extrusion. Now I'll go to the back. See, assume in the back only this is the location of the door is being the front of the front side of the door. Basically it extends, shows this the exterior part. Now I want to one second, I'll do one thing. I'll go back. I'll do from the front itself. I think I have selected this. Once again I'll go to this edit extrusion, elevation interior, go to the edit extrusion, exterior view. It is fine, correct. Now I want to add now in the extrusion part it's been opened. Now I'll go to the exterior part. Now I'll go to the opening of how you want. Say for example I want the exterior side. This side I'll add the lock system. Okay, now in the half portion maybe I will add these kinds of box system here. This much maybe I add this way. Once again I'll click on this. I think I take this much. Okay, this much I want to make it open. This here I want to add the glass here. Okay, let me click on the OK. Now once again I'll go to the 3D view. Once again, see here, this much area where it is been opened, I want to add the glass. So okay, so in order to add the glass, so once again I'll go to the exterior part. I'll make the fine view, I'll make the realistic. Okay, so in this where I made the open, I just want to add the glass section here. So in order to add the glass, let me go to the create. Once again I'm just selecting the extrusion. Now I need to select on the pick a lines, pick a path. I select this way. Okay, and this one. Now I think the extra part has been added, so let me add the trim and this. Okay, then here as well, 1 2. Now only for this particular area I want to add the glass. Okay, let me click on the finish. Now as soon as simply click on the finish, you have there is a solid form has been added. So for this I need to assign the material as well as the thickness. I just need to adjust the same way. I'll go to the 3D. Which one? This one. Okay, now once again the shutter also I need to reduce this. Okay, now shutter being once again I'll go to the 3D view. Yes, on the bottom is showing, top, right, the top. Basically the yeah. So this part to be aligned. Go to the exterior. I'll go to the reference line. I'll do one thing. I want to add the thickness only for this particular area. Now I'll go to the exterior. You have the go to the 3D view. See here. Now it's been merged with the door. Okay. Now I want to reduce one still more, but I mean. Now go to the exterior. Go to the select the property. Go to the reference plane. Now if you want, you can just reduce the thickness this way. Okay, I'm reducing here. Basically the reference plane is the top plane of the floor plan. Okay, like that it works. Now I'll go to the 3D view. Now you have the option of the offset. Okay, now you select the material. Once again go to the exterior is best. Select the material. Now you go to the once again a door shutter has been selected right now. Once again I'll click use the tab, reference plane. Yeah, now it's been selected properly. See here, exterior. Now you go to the materials. Now you go to the glass. Okay, apply. Go to the 3D view. Now this glass material has been now added. In order to see whether it's working or not glass, you just simply go to create. Maybe I simply select on okay, let me delete this. Okay, it's okay, fine. Now basically this is how the glass function is being going to add. This is way. Okay, now I want to add the customized door lock system or maybe the hardware for this. How to do that? Let me go to the create. Now you need to add the component. As of now there is no component has been loaded. Now let me go to the load family, generic. You select the library. I think the component which comes under the doors, I'll go to the doors. You have the hardware and you have this kinds of fixture handle, exterior pull. Fine, I'll put this. And here as well I need to go to the exterior, create. I think I need before that I need to select the plane actually. Okay, let me go to this. Let's select the plane, pick a plane. Now I selected the plane. Okay, now I need to add the component, load. Once again load family, exterior pull. Okay, yeah, now it is been taken actually. Sorry, it's been taken this way. It is on the exterior side only it is taking because I have selected as the exterior material only. And now I do one thing, I select somewhere here. Okay, let us align those things in the later. Let me go back on the back section or maybe go to the reference plane. You have somewhere 3D model here, this one. Go to the top, zoom out, you shift the material somewhere till here, go to the back, select this, go to the top. I'm just zooming out. Okay, select this. I don't think I'll change this. This is not perfectly fine without lock. No, I will change this. I don't want this. I go to the create component, I go to the load family, exterior this, I will select this one. Maybe I'll add this one only. Okay, now it looks fine. Yeah, it's been added, sorry, it's been added right now. Go to the back, I'm adding somewhere here. Okay, zoom out. I think from the, this is actually from the front it's taking. I'll select this way. I do one thing. Okay, I select this way. Okay, now I'll go to the back. So I'll go to the left, I'll go to the top. Now I'll use the command AL if wish. Let's go to this. Okay, now I'll go to the 3D view. I think the thickness is affecting, or maybe the movement is not properly done. Now I'll see from this. Yeah, now the basically the door handle has been now added. See here, right now. Yes, if you want you can just customize the handle as well. This is the default the handle which I'm using it from the library. So now at the same time, if you want you can just you can load this into the family. Before that you can just go to here and save as the family. Now I'm simply selecting the family in the desktop. Maybe I'll simply as the new door family. Okay, sorry, cannot be. Okay, I need to define the one of the location, desktop, new door family, save. Okay, now the family has been now saved. Okay, now I'll go to the same, now load to the new family. As of now there is no project has been loaded. Now I'll click on the okay. Now I'll go to the new projects, construction, architecture template. Okay, now I simply select the one of the walls. Okay, architecture, I'll go to the wall levels, I'll top constraint as the level 2. I'll go to the architectural wall, I select the this way and somewhere this way, somewhere here, this much, this design. Okay, so assume I have taken the wall this way. Okay, now I want to create the I want to add the door for this what I've created so far. Go to the realistic, let me go once again the 3D model here, load the family, load into the family. See now it's the taking the family this way. I'll add, go to the 3D view. See here you have these kinds of door which is going to be added somewhere here, right? So this is how the door family is going to works, and you can just add customize your doors the same way. Control CS, I can just take this wherever I want. I can add the door here somewhere. Once again if you want you can add the door here. If you want to add the road here, once again you can just add the same door here, and if you want you can add the door here same way. So it's how you define or how you create the customized doors according to your requirement. Basically it works. Okay, so now you have understood the concept of the creation of the door and family. So you also try to explore different kinds of doors, which is according to your requirements you create. And you also explore the same feature, and you will understand much. Okay, let's catch up in the next module.